In today's video, we are going to show you how to assign EDPuzzle in live mode. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to hover to the left side area of your dashboard and click on My Classes because this is where all your assignments content lives. So choose from the video that you wanted to put in live mode or to assign to, for example, this video. As you may notice, there is an option here that says live mode, so you can play a video in real time and monitor students' responses instantly. So click the live mode. Now, as you can see, there are a series of instructions that you have here. Share your screen with your students, tell your students to open EDPuzzle and go to their class, which is assigned to them, and click the Start Live Mode. Now, EDPuzzle will generate a join code, which is going to be this one. Share this code with their students so they can join the live mode session. Once everyone is in, click the Start to play the video. Now here, you control the video and it will pause automatically when questions appear. For example, this one right here. If you want to rewatch the video or skip, you can do that. But of course, just click the next question and you need, or the students need to answer these multiple questions. Okay? Click the continue button, click the next questions and choose, and click the continue. Now, once you are happy, you can simply exit the live mode and there you have it. Basically, that's it for today's video on how you assign an EDPuzzle video using live mode. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.